Do you ever feel like you know grammar, but when it's time to speak English, you just run out of words? You don't need to memorize the entire dictionary to speak fluent English. In fact, research shows that learning just 500 core high-frequency words allows you to understand over 80% of everyday conversations. Today, we are going to walk through the essential 500 words you actually need for everyday life, broken down into simple, practical categories. Let's start with category 1, daily routines and time. Words like wait, prepare, schedule, delay, frequent, rarely, currently, and eventually. Instead of saying, I will do it later, you can say, I will eventually handle it. Small upgrades in everyday vocabulary instantly make your English sound more natural. Category 2, feelings and opinions. To express yourself clearly, you need words beyond just good or bad. Think of words like frustrated, delighted, anxious, confident, doubtful, prefer, and appreciate. For example, instead of saying, I don't like this, you can say, I prefer a different option. Category 3, work, tasks, and problem solving. In a professional or daily task setting, you will constantly use words like achieve, manage, organize, request, suggest, solve, require, and confirm. Notice how simple these are. Can you confirm a meeting time? Or we need to solve this issue quickly. Category 4, conversations and socializing. When talking to friends, neighbors, or colleagues, focus on connection words. Agree, disagree, discuss, explain, mention, share, describe, and connect. Category 5, describing objects, places, and situations. Finally, you need words that describe the world around you. Spacious, convenient, essential, temporary, permanent, ordinary, and valuable. Now, here's the secret to actually remembering all 500 words. Do not try to learn them all in one day. If you learn just 10 of these core words every day and use each one in a simple sentence out loud, you will master all 500 words in less than 2 months. Start today. Pick 5 words from your daily routine, speak them out loud, and build a habit. If you found this useful, leave a comment with one new word you use a day. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you in the next video.